Disassembling the Canon MG6230 printer entirely is an advanced procedure, typically requiring experience with electronics and careful handling of small parts. Here is a detailed guide on removing all main assemblies. Proceed only if you're comfortable with intricate electronics work. Tools needed: Phillips screwdriver set, flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, tweezers, optional for small parts, gloves, optional to protect from ink stains. General steps for full disassembly. 1. Preparation. Power off and unplug the printer from any power source. Prepare a clean workspace with containers for screws and parts. 2. Remove the outer case. Start by removing all visible screws on the printer's exterior. Use a flathead screwdriver or pry tool to release plastic tabs gently, lifting the outer cover off the printer. Keep track of screws and other small components. 3. Remove the control panel. The control panel often has connectors that attach to the main circuit board. Carefully disconnect any ribbon cables or connectors between the control panel and the main unit. Remove screws or clips securing the control panel, then gently lift it away. 4. Detach the paper tray and output assembly. Locate screws securing the paper input and output trays. Remove these screws and gently pull out the trays. These may be connected to sensors, so be cautious. 5. Remove the print head assembly. Open the access panel to the cartridge area. Remove the ink cartridges, then release the print head locking lever. Carefully slide out the print head assembly. 6. Disconnect the ink pump and waste ink absorber. The ink pump and waste ink absorber are generally located near the bottom of the printer. Disconnect the ink pump motor and tubing leading to the print head. Remove screws holding the waste ink absorber pad and lift it out carefully. 7. Remove the power supply unit, PSU. The PSU is usually at the rear or bottom of the printer. Carefully disconnect the wires connecting the PSU to the main board. Remove screws and carefully lift out the PSU. 8. Detach the main circuit board. Locate and remove all screws securing the main circuit board. Disconnect ribbon cables and connectors, noting where each one goes. Gently lift the board out of the printer. 9. Remove the carriage and belt assembly. The carriage belt assembly moves the print head across the paper. Detach the belt from the carriage and remove any securing clips or screws. Carefully pull the carriage assembly out. 10. Remove the paper feed and roller mechanism. This assembly handles paper feeding and movement. Remove screws securing the rollers and any attached gears. Lift out the roller assembly carefully. Important tips. Document each step. Taking photos or labeling parts can help during reassembly. Be cautious with cables. Ribbon cables are fragile and can tear if handled improperly. Keep parts organized. Sorting screws and parts in labeled containers will prevent mix-ups. Note: full disassembly may impact the printer's functionality if not reassembled properly. If you're uncertain about any step, consider consulting a professional technician.